Hello everybody, this time I'm going to show you how to service the wiper motor assembly. So first of all, what you want to do is pop these ball joints out and clean everything, the bushing and the ball joint, and grease them with silicone grease. Don't use any other grease because it will damage the rubber. Second, you can see this mechanism here is riveted. So what you want to do is the following thing. You want to take your drill this the rivets out so you can pop it open. Then take a drill bit that just fits in here, drill a hole, perfect. I just broke my drill bit, crap. So then you take a screw like this that will, it's just a little bit bigger than this hole. You take your screwdriver, you drive it in, now it gets very easy. Now it got tight. And now what you have done is you created thread, because this metal is very soft, you can do it, you don't need a thread tap. And this screw here holds both of these parts together. Basically it replaces the rivets you will drill out. And you want to do it before popping the cover off, so no shavings will come in and it will be perfectly aligned. So drill this hole, put a screw in it, and drill this hole, basically it's here, and put a screw in it. Or what you also can do, because in this part there is the regulator or the plug, you can drill just through this here, through the rivet part, and put a screw in. There's nothing behind, so no worries. So now we will move to the next part. So now what you want to do is take a chisel like this, put it in between here, the two parts it joins, take a hammer, hit it from the rear, very careful, and do it a little bit here, 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 here. You will be able to open it, and use electric or silicone grease, nothing else, as there are plastic parts which will get damaged with any other grease. So it has been greased now. Check the cover for cleanliness, and put it back on. And now put the screws in on the holes I showed you to drill, and you're done.